Day 2 of Katonkel Ronkel 2022. Today we're out to Cape Point. The water is pretty cold. It's about 12.2. Carrying a bit of a wrist injury from yesterday. No clue what happened, but I'm pretty sure it has to do with all of those damn seals. So we'll see how today goes. We'll head towards a point and hopefully we can just pick up at least one nice sized bunny. That's definitely on the menu for today. But yeah, we'll check in a bit later and see how it's going. I'm with the fish here. Feels a bit more like a tail than a bonnie. A very nice bunny. Look at that for a fish. Yes please, what a way to start the Ronkel. Point paid off. As you can see, it's pretty interesting conditions out here. We got our fish in the hatch, which is exactly what I wanted, and now I'm happy. Anything from here is just a bonus. These are some seriously bumpy conditions out here today. I just almost got taken out by a bit of rogue swell, but as you can see, lots and lots of birds. We've got a temp of just under 14. We know the bonnies are here. Tariq's been on, Andrew's been on, so let's just keep paddling and hope we can get some more fish. So an update on how that went. Fought the seal for, I don't know, 10 minutes. He just wouldn't let go, and all I ended up getting back was this. So fun times. And we are on again. That went well, as you could see. Much better gaff shot that time around. And that's a wrap for the second day of the Katonkel Ronkel. Managed to get a few nice fish. We got taxed a lot, so gonna paddle back now from the lighthouse. I did see some nice marks earlier this morning when we were on our way out, so let's see if we can pick up a lost tail on the way back in. Would be nice. Cool. Peace out.